All right, this is the service elevator at Granite Tower in Houston, Texas. I'm in Sugar Land, I'm sorry. It's a Fujitec.
Wow, very different.
Yeah, that wasn't really a lot scary.
What type of elevator is this, Jim?
Fujitec.
Oh, Fujitec.
Dang. Nice company.
Fujitec makes great elevators.
So do all like flight elevators have this?
Yes, they do. They're
Side is different.
yes. That
Like
it's
a mattress kind of.
they used to. This is used to protect the walls if they're moving a bunch of freight, so that it does so the walls that they don't get scratched when they're moving stuff.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
What do you think of this?
It's different.
Cool. Yeah. It's
Very
different.
smooth ride. Not what I expected.
You can go on out,
All right, let's go out.
and it wants to shut. When the
really
Fujitec wants to shut, the Fujitec will shut. Get a still picture,
Yeah, of course.
and that'll be it.